Friends, today I am going to teach you account of class 9. As previously we have studied about the importance of office, the features of office, and now today we are going to study about the types of office. Actually, my dear students, an office is established to achieve the desired goal or objectives by performing different types of activities. An office is established in order to achieve a certain goal. And how the goal can be achieved? It can be achieved by performing different kinds of activities. And on the basis of nature and objectives of an organization, the office can be divided into or classified into three types. As you can see on the board, there is written types of office. Number 1, government office. Number 2, business office. And number 3 is service motive office. And business office is again divided into two parts. One is office with government investment, and there is office with private investment. So, before describing all the points, I would like to teach you one by one. So number 1 is government office. The main responsibility of the government is to provide service to the people and protect the nation. This is the main goal of the organization of government office. What is the main objective? To provide the service to the people and protect the nation. For this, it has to perform or it has to do different kinds of administrative and development activities. Like there are different types of government offices which are helping for the development of the country, like education office, health office, police office are the some examples of government offices. And all these types of office are helping the country for its development by providing their contribution in their own sectors. Like example, education office, it plays an important role for the development of the education sector in the country. Health office, such types of offices are providing different kinds of medical treatment, immunizations, and other types of services related to health, which causes the development in the health sector. Like the same way, police office, this is one of the most important security system of the country, which helps to protect the country from internal and external affairs. Now, my dear students, I would like to define you what are the features that is done by the government office. What are the features of government office, or what are the activities or in which sectors the government office works.